Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CapCut exporting error on iPhone or on Android phone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device or Android device and when you want to export any file and you will see this type of error again and again, I will help you how can you fix this. So guys, you can very easily fix it. So first of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it below, and from here you need to click on general and check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and now you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, if you're using iPhone, you need to open App Store, and if you're using Android device, you need to open Play Store in your phone, and here you need to search CapCut. So guys, as you will see, open your CapCut here, and you need to open your CapCut and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your CapCut app. And guys, after this, simply you need to go back and check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem and still find exporting error, no need to worry, there is an option to fix it. You need to open your settings again, click on general, and here is the option of iPhone storage. Open it, scroll it down and click on CapCut. And guys, after this you need to click on offload and click on offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again. And guys, if this method is not working, then you need to delete this app from here, and after deleting it you need to install it again. And guys, you need to log in your account in CapCut, and after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to export any file. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then you need to check your storage. Maybe your storage has been full. If your storage is full, then you need to delete some data that you're not using. And guys, after this you can easily export your file. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.